Hello, hello. We are getting ready to go for a hike, actually. It's been a long time, especially just a hike with me and Andrew and no kids. So we finally have the grandparents up here and they're retired. So now we actually have a little bit of help. We're getting ready to go to Acadia.
Yeah.
Just got our gas and we're ready to go. We're gonna have a nice little hike up Mount Gorham. We've been here before, but again, it's been a while, so hopefully more to come now that we have some help with the kids.